welcome back to my channel Option Strikers. So, like discussed in my previous video, Nifty has completely gone sideways. And if you see on the charts here on the daily time frame, I think after a big red candle on a Friday, 20th December, so it tried to break up multiple times, but it couldn't sustain the up move. I think every time there was selling which followed. And even if you see on Friday, I think it kind of made a pin bar kind of a bar. Yeah, if you see today, it kind of opened a little gap up here and then tried to go cross about 23,950 levels, but unable to sustain that and took support on previous day's low and then bounced exactly from there, again resisted at the same levels and then came down. So, like shared in my previous video, 23,950, 24,000 levels is acting as a very good resistance. And hopefully, I think if you are breaking these levels, is when the selling might accelerate. So these are the important levels to watch out for. If this low is broken, I think we are at least expecting a target at least 22,500 levels. I think even Bank Nifty also tried to go up today. It was trying to fill up the gap and then it was trying to go about 52,000 levels. Unfortunately, selling came very quickly. So mid cap bust has done really well. Today being expiry, and then at some point of the time, I think it was trading around 12,700 levels at around 130, and then there is a serious buying which happened from these levels. So in the coming days, I think we might see a quick fall on the break of these levels on a daily time frame. So we'll have to watch out for these levels, 23,530 levels. So hopefully, I think if these levels are broken, I think we might the selling might accelerate. And one more thing which we spotted on the charts is that today is 30th of December 2024, and then we have one more day for the year to be closed. Okay, if I switch back to let's say 1 year chart, so one thing which I observed is that, okay, let me add quickly RSI. Okay, yeah. So if you see this, so one thing which is horrifying is that yearly RSI is at around 90, and the previous time these levels occurred is somewhere in the 2007. So if you see the following year, I think Nifty has corrected close to 50%. So this is not a good sign for the year 2025, because the yearly RSI is overbought, and then if you kind of see a pin bar kind of a thing in the making, and then if the following candle is a red candle, even if you are going by the historical data which is showing as 51%, even if you are going by 20%, this is going to be around 20,000 levels. But there is a big gap on the weekly chart at 20,300 levels which is not filled. If you see here somewhere, yeah, this is the gap I'm talking about. Yeah, yeah, if you see closely, this is the gap. There is a huge gap during these levels, so that is not filled yet. So if you're seeing by the RSI, yearly RSI, and then the evening star pattern is in the formation, and then going by, at least we are even taking 20%. I think this is coming down to 20,300 levels. So going by all these things which are happening, and then they are all coinciding, and then Trump is going to have a swearing ceremony on January 20th. Considering all these options, and then going by the historical data, 2025 might not be a great year for investing. These are the Nifty levels which we are looking at for at least for the first half of the year. Let's see how this goes. Of course, it's always suggestible to have your position set, so that whenever there is a surprise bounce or a huge spike, it might minimize our losses. Yeah, that's all we have in this video. Hopefully you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please try to share this to as many people as possible. Thanks for watching.